Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making pizza burgers. Yep, you heard me right. I am making pizza burgers. And what you see here is what I am going to use for the burgers. This should be a fun little recipe and shouldn't be too difficult or take very long. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I've got my skillet here heated up, my little griddle skillet. I'm using this because I'm gonna flatten these burgers a lot. We'll make some big old smash burgers. So I'm gonna start, I have a 1 pound pack of burger and this is just half of it right now. This should make 4 of these pizza burgers. So I'm gonna start by getting 2 of these patties cooked. Once they're kind of cooked on one side, I'll flip them and then smash them down. I don't have one of those awesome smasher things. I need to get one, but I'm just going to use my spatula, flatten these out good. I also did not season my burger, but if that's something that you like to do, by all means, season your burger. Oh, I broke it a little. Now I am using these cheapo mozzie sticks from Walmart. They're like, I don't even know, $1.50 a box or something. You don't get very many, but it'll be enough for the burgers that I'm doing. I have my air fryer basket greased. Let's put the ladies in here. They are only going to air fry for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to take them out and flip them around or shake them around, and then I'll cook them for another 1.5 minutes. Now let's get this thing assembled. Now I'll plate it up with the side dish and show you what it looks like.